In this episode, we'll be covering the sports season, recent college acceptances, and more on Thursday, December 22nd, 2022.
Welcome back, Devils. Let's start things off by kicking it over to Calvin and Cole for an update on the sports season.
Thank you, guys. This past week, the boys basketball team got a huge win against West Boylston, 69-31. Cole Patterson had a career-high 31 points to lead the team. He also had 6 steals and 5 assists.
We play again next week on Wednesday versus Quabbin at 7 and Friday at Gardner at 5:30. Make sure to come and support the boys.
The girls basketball team lost on Tuesday to West Boylston 66-10. They play again next week on Friday, away versus Gardner at 7.
The hockey team has a Chicopee Holiday Tournament next week. They will play 2 games that are going to be determined.
That's all we have for you this week. Back to the girls in the studio.
The Honors Breakfast was this past Tuesday. Congrats to everyone who made it on the honor roll.
Seniors, here's a reminder to pay those dues to Miss Conley as soon as possible. Also, make sure that your senior photos and information sheet are all filled out for the yearbook.
Now, let's take some time to congratulate some seniors on their college acceptances.
Madison Brown has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Tristan Charette has been accepted to Worcester State University. Angelina Del Santa has been accepted to Smith College. Kayden Gordon has been accepted to Fitchburg State University, Worcester State University, and Mount Wachusett Community College. Tiana Graessle has been accepted to Worcester State University, LaSalle University, and MCPHS. Abby Guerra has been accepted to Fitchburg State University, Mount Wachusett Community College, and Worcester State University. Camille Hart has been accepted to Colorado State University, Loyola University, Chicago, and Portland State University. Sarah Holt has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Ajax Lambert has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Dominic Leblanc has been accepted to Worcester State University. Charlene Lor has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Sam Mason has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Mindy Merritt has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Cole Patterson has been accepted to American International College. Panita Potamacek has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Lillian Skowinski has been accepted to UMass Lowell. Danielle Srozynski has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Calvin Tenney has been accepted to Fitchburg State University. Kylene Vasquez has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Jason Viveros has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Karen Vongjervang has been accepted to Assumption University, Franklin Pierce University, and Worcester State University. Jade Walsh has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College. Anita Yang has been accepted to Mount Wachusett Community College.
And lastly, Brooke Zabik has been accepted to Fitchburg State University. Congratulations to all those who have been accepted. More college acceptances will be announced soon, so stay tuned.
Let's see what Jack and Gavin cooked up for us this week.
Hey, today we're back with Jack Snacks and with my partner Gavin. Gavin, how's it going?
Pretty good.
Today we're making pancakes.
So the ingredients you're gonna need is some pancake mix, some fake syrup, and some Massachusetts syrup, some butter, and you're gonna need some water.
All right, let's get into it. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is preheat your griddle all the way to 400. And now we're gonna run you through how to make the pancake batter. Let's get it. Your measuring cup and your pancake mix, and do about a third of a cup. And now you are going to put a quarter cup of water. And mix. So after you get it fully mixed, you're going to plop spoonfuls onto your griddle.
I just realized we should have gotten something to spray on top.
Oh, we forgot the butter. So please don't forget the butter. It's a very important step in your procedure. We made a light mistake.
Just a small one.
Just a light one. Don't tell anybody.
Don't tell my mom.
So now that we got the pancakes and the butter on, Gavin's gonna throw some blueberries on top.
You know, like my mother once said, the more the merrier.
So once you get all your blueberries on, you're gonna wanna flip. Oh
It's just a little bit harder than it's supposed.
It's not good.
Yeah.
Alright, this one will flip better. So right about now in your process, you're going to want to start turning off your griddle and taking your pancakes off. Ta-da. Okay. Now Gavin's going to do his.
Thank you, my good sir.
So here we have our taste testers, Sebastian and Jeff. Jeff, how's it going?
It's going pretty good. We also have Sebastian here. Sebastian, how's it going?
What up? Oh, lefty. Okay.
And they'll let you know what they think.
All right. So which one?
Can you just grab the forks?
Y'all can dig it.
Yeah, let me get a piece. Let me get a piece. I'll wait for you. That's good. There we go.
I'll take one for the team. I'm trying the blueberry one. Oh. Lesson learned. Don't put a whole bunch of blueberries on one pancake, because that does not taste good.
0 out of 10.
Thanks for watching. See you on another episode.
Brooke, would you eat that?
Hard pass.
I'm never eating pancakes from them. Anyway, now that we have Jack and Gavin's little science experiment out of the way, let's see what students have to say about the question of the week.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
Money.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
Some money.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
Fresh pair of forces.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
Well, I already got my Christmas present, so steering wheel for my PS4.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
A Ford Model T with some underglow and a V8 engine.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
Honestly, I need some gas money.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
You know, some money would be great.
Happiness. What do you hope to get for Christmas?
Lots of cash.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
PlayStation 5.
W is. What do you hope to get for Christmas?
A girlfriend. My wife to come back to me.
What do you hope to get for Christmas?
A new car.
Back to you guys in the studio.
That'll do it for this week's episode. Be sure to stay updated by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at MurdochHS.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we post an episode.
And with that, have a great holiday break, Murdoch, and we'll see you back on January 3rd.
Ho, ho, ho.